but two oscillators,
bus power, believe it or
8
not.
different filter types, which is very spectacular.
Bus power off USB-C.
Say that one more time?
Yeah, 8 different filters on the synthesizer.
Yeah, I didn't think I heard you right, but I did.
Very good.
That's crazy.
I like it a lot.
Mono synth, but it has a paraphonic and soon to be a polyphonic node, so you can do 4-note chords.
So your distributor is
Built-in reverb in chorus, modulation matrix.
The card is B. That's my company.
I was, and what? How many patches is
It's on the
in the
website
machine?
as well. You
Is
find
it
the description.
200?
Yeah. Okay.
Now, are those?
You get me next week, I'll be in
That's
full
what I've
weight.
seen. I think I've seen a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 3 ones, yeah.
One of these I've seen a video of it, and I was like, I gotta see what that is. And that's what I thought.
Yeah, he's been
Also
here.
with
Very
modulation.
good.
Good. Well,
Great, mate.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank
man.
you. Thank you so much.
I can do anything to help you out.
Okay, so what about
that's
user
great.
patches?
Thank you so much.
They're all RAM, so you can write over all the patches.
But what if you don't want to write over?
You don't have to.
No, I'm saying. So is there user space for user patches?
Absolutely, yes.
Oh, bet.
Yep.
Okay, awesome.